Hello, thank you for watching. We've got a brand new, beautiful Laramie Dodge Ram here, all black, for a local construction company. He let me do a little something special with the lighting. What we've got there is an LED hideaway duo in green and white. We've got a full set of green and a full set of white in the X pattern with reverse color in the fog lights. As you might be aware, I do not like splitting LED hideaways with two colors because you don't get the full effect. Nobody likes to have a half of a light. So we put a full set of green and a full set of white. It fills these fog lights very nicely. And we elected to stay out of these Laramie headlights because it's an LED OEM signal, and it is a projector style headlight lens with a high-low headlight in one bulb. So short of an LED upgrade bulb kit, there really isn't room to effectively put strobes in these headlights. So the fog light on this was the best option for this client. Here you can kind of see the neo angle and the green graphics on this truck. Around the back, we did a nice set of flush mount reverse lights. They're actually just tied into the auxiliary switch. I prefer to do that so you can use them for loading trailers while you're in drive or park. We've got green LED hideaway duos in the reverse, and we've got white LED hideaway duos in the cargo up top that's synchronized in an X pattern. We've also got a Highway Products toolbox setup with the headache rack, and there's LED lighting inside the toolboxes as well. Two lights in the main box, as well as a light in each additional side box. And here's a shot with just the strobes going. As I said, these are controlled on the factory Dodge upfitting switches. There are 1 and 2 on the dashboard for the reverse lights and the emergency lights. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Be sure to check the product description for links to all of these products, and you can go right online. There's also going to be a pre-filled shopping cart feature where you can buy everything that you've seen in this build right in a pre-filled shopping cart. So go ahead and check it out. If it isn't up there yet, it will be shortly. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.